Be ready. Start. Sir, malpractices in elections are a problem, and the problem is getting aggravated day by day. All the political parties, the various governments in power in various states, and newspapers, all of them are contributing to the deterioration in standards in the conduct of elections. It is very unfortunate that all the political parties are inducting caste and communal politics into elections. Nowhere else and never the election result is decided on the basis of caste, and never a particular caste votes to only for a candidate from that particular caste. The high commands of all the political parties, while announcing their list of candidates for the various elections, say that they have given so many seats to Brahmans, so many to Thakurs, and so many to Jats. The system is getting on like that. All the political parties are contributing to this, and candidates are filled on the basis of caste. Para. Sir, we are aware since representative elections have been introduced in this country, the elections results are never decided by known caste lines and known communal lines. When it is decided by such an emotional issue and not on the basis of the problems facing the country, how can we attribute caste for the result? During 1952, when elections took place in the composite Madras state, there was a representation at that time against the Communist Party. The undivided Communist Party went underground, and thousands of communist workers had been arrested. They went to the court during 1952. Again, the Communist Party gained the public sympathy, and thereby most of the Congress people were defeated at the polls, and the Communist Party, with the help of Praja Party as well as other parties, was to come into power, but for the trick played by the then governor of Madras and Shri C. Raja Gopalachari was inducted to the upper house, and he was nominated as the leader of the Congress party in the legislature. He became the chief minister. Then, during 1955, election took place in separate Andhra. The people felt that the Communist Party was arrogant, and they wanted to teach a lesson to them. So, during 1955 elections, the Communist Party was defeated at the polls, and the Congress again came into power. Again, during 1967, when elections took place, the Congress Party was defeated here.